For the introduction, Microsoft Project is a robust project management software for construction professionals, facilitating effective planning, tracking, and management of projects. While Esteem is a cutting-edge software tailored for the construction industry, offer a comprehensive suite of tools for project management, cost estimation, and resource allocation. For the background of the project, Taman Pagoh Jaya 3 is a fast-growing residential and commercial development project located at Jalan Mualabis 84600 Pagoh, Johor. The project is aimed at creating a modern and sustainable community that offers a high quality of living for residents and business alike. To ensure the success of this ambitious project, the development team has opted to utilize Microsoft Project and Esteem, a leading software for construction and project management. This is the location of the project, which is located at Taman Pagoh Jaya 3, Jalan Muar Labis at 4600 Pagoh, Johor. There are five objectives of the project. The first one is complete construction of residential and commercial building within the designated timeframe. The second one is ensure the construction meets all regulatory and safety standards. The third one is delivery high quality infrastructure and amenities that enhance the living and working environment for residents and businesses at Taman Pagoh Jaya 3. The fourth one is maintain cost efficiency throughout the construction process. The last one is minimize environmental impact through sustainable construction practices. For the acceptance criteria, the first one is the construction must adhere to all local building code and regulation. The second one is all structures and facilities must pass rigorous safety inspection and certification. Infrastructure must be functional and meet the need of the community. The fourth one is the construction must be complete within the agreed open budget and timeline. The last one is the project must comply with environmentally friendly practices and regulations. For the assumption, availability of skilled labor and construction materials as per the project schedule. Adequate funding and resources will be available throughout the construction process. For the cost of the project, the estimated cost of the construction project at Taman Pagoh Jaya 3 can be checked by using Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project will input resources such as labor, material, and equipment and their associated costs. It will create resources sheet where it will define the rate for each resources. The software then calculates the cost based on the resource allocation and duration. Microsoft Project will align cost to individual tasks in the project plan. By breaking down the project into specific tasks, it will estimate the cost associated with each task.
This is our background of company. On September 18, 2014, Awang Ismail Construction Sdn Bhd was established in accordance with the 2002 Company Act. Encik Awang Ismail, who has a wealth of construction skill and a stellar background, founded it. Awang Ismail Construction Sdn Bhd has already registered as a A-class Bumi Putra contractor with Pusat Khidmat Contractor and has also registered with the Construction Industry Development Boards. In order to grow more actively and successfully, the company is looking forward to registering with other patronage agency or authorities. The company's constant commitment to quality assurance is demonstrated by its proud registration against the strict MS ISO 901 and 9001 2008 standard. The registration encompasses the dynamic domains of civil engineering management and construction projects, demonstrating the company's proactive adherence to the most stringent industry standard. Vision and mission for our company. First, our vision is to be the most trusted and preferred construction company, providing innovative, sustainable, and high-quality solutions to our client, building needs while contributing to the development of the communities we serve. For our mission is to deliver exceptional construction service, to foster a culture of integrity, collaboration, and innovation, to embrace sustainability and environmental responsibility, to build trust, transparency, and mutual respect, and to continually improve and adapt our process and services. For our company scope of service, we have 15. The first one is new construction. It means build new residential, commercial, and industrial structure from the ground up. Second is renovation and remodeling. We refurbishing existing structure to update or improve their appearance and functionality. The third one is addition. Means we are extending the footprint of existing building to create more space or accommodate new needs. The fourth one is remains and maintenance, providing a routine maintenance and repair to keep structure in good condition. The fifth one is site preparation, clearing land, grading, and site utility installation in preparation for construction. The sixth is demolition. We safely and professionally dismantling and removing structures or buildings. The seventh, we custom design and build. We collaborating with client to create custom design structure and bring their vision to reality. Uh, the eighth one, project management, overseeing and coordinating all aspect of construction project from planning and design to completion. The ninth one is interior design and finishing, providing interior design service and finishing detail to complete the look and functionality of space. The tenth one is landscaping and outdoor construction. We create outdoor living space, installing hardscaping, and designing landscape to enhance the overall appearance of property. The 11th one is sustainable construction. We incorporating green building practice and material to minimizing environmental impact and maximize energy efficiency. The 12th one is multi-family and commercial development, planning and building large-scale residential and commercial development, including apartment building, office complex, and retail center. The 13th one is architectural planning and engineering. We collaborate with architects and engineers to develop comprehensive building plans and structural design. The 14th one is permitting and regulatory compliance, navigating the complexities of local building code zoning regulation and obtaining necessary permit for construction project. And finally, project financing and budgeting. We assist the client in securing funding for their construction project and managing budget to ensure project stay on the track financially.
The first software that we use for this project is Esteem 9. But before using the software, we need some manual calculation as a reference tool to estimate the design size. These calculations are crucial for ensuring structural integrity and performance. For instance, when sizing beam, consideration include calculating load on slab, distribution action to supporting beam, and evaluating result on action on the slab and beam. Column size is determined by load and stability requirement. Wall and slab thickness depend on load and intended purpose. Manual calculation considering factor like live load and dead load provide a financial understanding guiding the selection of appropriate size for component to withstand anticipate force and stress. We use Excel for our manual calculation to ease us for the calculation. From the slide, we can see here that we use Excel to calculate the size of the slab and action on beam and slab. We also calculate the loading for the slab. Next, we have a table of ground floor information. From this information, we can see the proposed design size. For the ground beam size, we have two proposed design, 225 times 450 mm and 125 times 450 mm. Next is column size. we have three proposed size, which is 225 times 225, 125 times 300, and 225 times 300. For the slab thickness, we use 125 mm, and it has a drop in the bathroom with 50 mm. The stump height is 1050 mm. For the brick wall, we use two index, which is index 1 and index 2. We use uniform distribution load UDL, which dead load is 1.2 and live load is 1.5. By using the Esteem model, we can make a discussion that we successfully designed the model using Esteem 9 software. The slide show the 3D side view model of our structure and the ground beam model. Designing the double story terrace house using Esteem 9 software involves some challenges in addressing key structural elements like beam, column, and slab. The project include specific details such as ground beam with size of 225 times 450 mm and 125 times 450 mm. Column ranging around from 225 times 225 to 225 times 300 and a critical slab thickness of 125 mm. Esteem 9 play an essential role to the limitation necessitate adjustment to the original plan. Require a delicate balance between aesthetic and structural integrity. The project success hinge on the collaborative effort of our design member who navigate Esteem 9 working through effective communication. This experience highlight the importance of continuous professional development, especially adapting and emerging technology in structural design. Despite challenges, the team tenacity and adaptability enable us to address Esteem 9 limitation and create a design ensuring stability and safety for the double story terrace house.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Awal Ismail. Saya akan membentangkan tentang project information using Microsoft Project. Untuk tajuk kami ialah Double Story Terrace House of Taman Pagoh Jaya 3 in Pagoh. Untuk lokasi projek yang berada Taman Pagoh Jaya 3, Pagoh. Untuk tempoh masa yang yang dirancangkan menggunakan Microsoft Project selama 271 hari. Untuk hari bekerja bermula daripada hari Ahad sehingga hari Khamis dan hari Jumaat. Untuk waktu bekerja, hari biasa hari Ahad sehingga Khamis bermula daripada 8 pagi sehingga 12 tengah hari, kemudian rehat dalam 1 jam dan bermula semula pada pukul 1 petang hingga 5 petang. Untuk hari Jumaat bermula pada 8 pagi sehingga 12 tengah hari. Untuk untuk hari cuti, sebenarnya kami telah setkan cuti yang diambil iaitu Chinese New Year, Taipusam, awal Ramadan, Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Labor Day, Wesak Day, Birthday Agung, Hari Raya Haji, awal Muharram, Hari Hol Arafum Sultan Iskandar, Hari Merdeka, Hari Malaysia, dan Deepavali dan Christmas Day. Dan ini adalah data hari cuti yang diambil yang telah dimasukkan pada sistem Microsoft Project. Okey, untuk work progress and costing daripada Microsoft Project seperti yang kita boleh tengok, projek ini di start pada 1 bulan 1 2023. First task, first task is preliminaries, dan total cost adalah uh, 44 44,800. Second second task adalah yang menggunakan kos, iaitu progress report sebanyak 4,800. Dan task yang seterusnya, artwork, yang menggunakan kos sebanyak 25,000. Dan seterusnya, untuk task building work, pecahan iaitu structure menggunakan 96,ribu, manakala roof truss menggunakan 11,000, architecture menggunakan 39,500, dan seterusnya untuk floor finishing menggunakan 2,500, ceiling finishing menggunakan 2,000, untuk painting menggunakan 8,000, dan mechanical dan electrical menggunakan 27,000. Untuk yang terakhir, untuk nilai plumbing, kami menggunakan 13,000. Infrastructure menggunakan 2,000. Untuk testing, kami menggunakan 10,000. Okey, seperti yang kita boleh tengok, untuk hari tamat projek, iaitu 1/1/2024. Okey, untuk bahagian financial C curve, okay, kita boleh lihat untuk garis biru mewakili kos, garis merah mewakili cumulative cost, dan garis hijau mewakili cumulative actual cost. Kita boleh tengok di paksi Y menentukan nilai kos, dan paksi X merupakan duration. Okey, yang seterusnya, physical S-curve. Okey, berdasarkan graf ini menunjukkan hasil kerja memerlukan sebanyak 52 minggu, dan dan graf ini menunjukkan juga persentase kerja yang telah diselesaikan.
This is our recommendation. We recommend to use Smartsheet, Write, Asana, and Trello. For Smartsheet is popular project management and collaboration tool that integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Project and Esteem software. It allows users to plan, track, and manage project in a familiar spreadsheet-like interface, while also providing powerful collaboration and reporting features. For Write, a project management software that integrates with Microsoft Project and Esteem, providing a collaborative platform for teams to plan, manage, and track projects. About Asana is a popular task and project management tools that integrate with Microsoft Project and Esteem, offering a range of features for organizing and tracking work. For Trello is a flexible project management, allowing users to create visual board to organize and manage projects. In conclusion, the combination of Microsoft Project and Esteem software offer a comprehensive solution for managing construction project at Taman Pagoh Jaya 3. Microsoft Project provide powerful project planning and management capabilities, allowing for detailed scheduling, resource allocation, and budget tracking. Meanwhile, Esteem software specializes in cost estimation, bid management, and project control, enhancing the financial and procurement aspect of the construction project. Together, this software solution enable effective coordination, communication, and control throughout the project life cycle, ultimately contributing to the successful and efficient completion of the construction project at Taman Pagoh Jaya 3.